Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I'm going to show you how to replace your RJ11 crimp connector if your tab broke off or if the connector has failed or something, it just needs to be re-terminated. As you can see on mine, the tab broke off, so I temporarily used some blue tack or some fun tack to actually keep it on the phone or on that on my radar detector, which this thing is powers my radar detector. The main thing you'd want to get is a new crimp connector, also a crimp tool. This crimp tool actually does RJ45, which is for network cables, and for a regular telephone RJ11, so it's really good. Also get a small pack of RJ11 connectors. You need a new one every time. You want to compare the lines and what color those little wires are and write it down so you have a reference. Most telephone wires only have 2 lines. This one is for a power adapter for my radar detector, so it actually needs like 4 lines for data as well as power. Anyways, the crimp tool is pretty awesome too because it has crimpers and cutters and wire strippers all in one. So all you do is just put it in, crimp it down, and cut that thing. I usually do a little quick curl on the top so it doesn't cut all the way through. So it takes off the top pretty easily, and it already pre-strips your cable housing. What I'm going to do now is just align it all together to the right pattern, like how it has, and stick it back in. Just slide it easily in and wiggle it in so that it can actually go all the way to the back of that connector. The crimp tool does a lot of the work for you already by cutting it straight and basically stripping out the exterior cord. Then you just basically put it in the telephone RJ45 adapter and crimp down nice and slow and snug. So basically all those little things tap into the wire. Once you tap it in, it's all seated and it looks pretty cool because what it does is stabs right into the actual wire. As you can see, just double check your work. And of course, double check your actual line pattern compared to the original connector, and you're pretty much done. The next thing to do is to check this thing and make sure this thing works. It all takes about, this whole process takes about, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, we do it right. So anyways, it works, power goes back there, and yay, it's done. So there you have it. Anyways guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this quickie how-to was helpful to you on replacing your RJ11 connectors. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.